Hi, good morning. Hope you enjoy your last. Hi, good morning. I hope you have a nice day. Let me introduce my name. My name is Prakosa. I am from Agrotechnology. In this opportunity, I will tell you about my research, mutant selection of short stem rice Mentik Wangi generation M4, result of 250 gray gamma ray irradiation. Background: the fragrant rice plant is a plant commodity that is distinctive and has natural aroma resulting in the fluffier texture of rice and has higher price in the market. Mentik Wangi is fragrant rice that has shortcoming in terms plan of height and age. According to Meliala 2016, improving the quality and quantity of Mentik Wangi can be done by plant breeding such as gene mutation. Plant genetic mutation can be induced by using mutagens such as gamma ray irradiation. Research purpose: knowing the performance of Mentik Wangi M4 rice with the influence of 250 gray gamma ray irradiation, and select M4 rice to obtain short stem, short lived, and high productivity rice. Research methods: this research was carried out from July until October 2020. The research location is at the Tegalgondo Rice Seedling Center, District Gatak, Sukoharjo Regency, Central Java. Tools: tractor who recycle pack code board, tape measure rule raffia skisser analytical scale, newspaper stationery, and ingredients: urea, Ponska SP36, KCl, ZA pesticide, and previous generation Mentik Wangi rice seeds produced by gamma ray irradiation of 250 gray consisting of 47 strain. Planting: each line of Mentik Wangi rice produced by gamma ray irradiation of 250 gray was planted as many as 30 plants in parallel without randomization. Observing each individual plant to compare with control plant and selected plant according to the purpose. And then the data were analyzed descriptively, followed by the t-test by comparing plant performance with control plant data. And then selecting the best line according to the purpose, and selecting 5 plants for each line that has short stem, short harvest life, and has the potential for high yield. And then discussion. Research location condition. In the Tegalgondo Seedling Center, Rice Seedling Center is located on Jalan Raya Solo, Jogja, kilometer 15, Dram, Pos 2, Kartasura, Gatak, Sukoharjo Regency, Central Java. Throughout of the year, temperatures usually vary from 22 degrees to 33 degrees Celsius and rarely below 20 degrees and or above 36 degrees Celsius. The Tegalgondo Rice Seeds Garden contains 6.15 hectares of rice field or production field, location at an altitude of approximately 118 meters above sea level. Based on the time of the study, October experienced the highest rainfall of 22 mm. and then growth result and the production of mentik wangi. Plant height. Control plant has an average height of 140.1 with shortest range of 120 centimeters and the longest range of 145 centimeters. The M2 250 G29834 line had the lowest height with an average of 102.4 cm with the lowest range of 98 cm and the higher range of 110 cm. Meliala et al. 2017, there are abnormalities in the irradiation population that cause major change at genomes, chromosomal, and DNA level, so that physiology process in genetically controlled cell become abnormal. And then total tillers M320 250 G 621759 lines with a total of 41 with an average of 30.3. The control race had the highest number of tillers, namely 14 with an average 12. Maxia 2017 states that gamma ray irradiation is an effective technique to produce new mutants or increase genetic variation. With high genetic diversity, there is a greater chance of getting the desired new genotype. And then harvest age. The harvest age of M4 line, which had the fastest age, was M3 250 G 29834 with an age of 84 days after plant. The control line had an age of 117 days after plant, which was different from the mutant line. According to Suprihanto et al. 2009, the age of rice range from 115 until 124 days or medium range. The harvest age range is the average age range of rice varieties released in Indonesia. Based on this result, the M4 line can increase rice productivity. And then weight 100 seed. Control plant weight 100 seeds with an average 2.43 grams with the lowest range of 2.51 grams and the highest range of 2.48 grams. The M3 250 G29834 strain weight 3.106 gram with the lowest range of 2.82 gram and the highest range of 3.54 gram. According to Iwo et al. 2013, induced mutation are proven way to induce diversity in plant varieties for the desired trait. And then seed weight per clump. Control plant had seed weight per clump with an average 20.58 with the shortest range 18.84 gram and the longest range of 49.57 gram. The M3 250 G 29834 line had the highest seed weight per clump with an average 91.03, with the lowest range being 55.65 gram and the highest range being 66.37 gram. According to Satria et al., 2017 stated that the maximum number of tiller will affect the number of productive tiller, in turn will affect production result. Shahril 2018 suggests that the size of rice seeds is largely determined by genetic factor. And then plant selection result after the 10 baselines selected with the criteria of short trunk and high clump width resulted in 30 individual plants from 50 existing plants. The results of the selection were based on the research objective to obtain rice with short stem properties, early maturity, and high productivity, which would later be pre-selection. Then conclusion, the performance of Newton from the M4 generation of Mentik Wangi rice from 250 gray gamma ray irradiation was better with control plant. The M4 line had lower plant height and higher productivity than control plant. There are 30 individuals selected from 4 M4 Mentik Wangi rice from 250 gray gamma ray, which have short stem and productivity. Then this is my references. Okay, thank you. There is my dissertation. Thanks for your attention.